Hello student, today I have brought a video on magnet and magnetic field line. We will also discuss on the magnetic field and patterns of magnetic field lines and also properties of magnetic field lines. In this video we will discuss in detail. First we define what is magnet. Magnet is defined as a substance which attracts small pieces of metal like iron, nickel, cobalt, and aligns along in north and south direction when freely suspended in it. That is the definition of magnet. When a magnet suspended in air, when it is suspended in air, like tying a thread, the north and south direction, it is the north direction, suppose that it is south direction of geographical north, it is geographical south, it always align in this north and south, and it has capacity, it has a property to attractive property to attract the iron fillings or iron lanes, clips, the magnetic substance. So the substance which has a property to attract iron, nickels and cobalt, these are the magnetic substance, and when it is suspended freely in air, they always point towards the north and south direction. That is called magnet. First, magnet was discovered by the Greek when they found that some substance attract the shoes of a sphere. Here, natural magnet, a naturally occurring iron ore called magnetite, which chemical formula is Fe3O4, the magnetic oxide, a mixture of oxides of iron, which is blackish brown in color and also known as black stone. This substance, this mineral is known as black stone, and it was used for the navigation to find the direction. So it is called also lodestone. Natural magnets are irregular in shape, that is given in figure like that. It has property to attract the iron lens, iron object, magnetic substance. These are the irregular shape. So it is not more useful, but in the ancient time, in a medieval age, it was used for the navigation to find the direction. When it is suspended in air, it always aligns towards north and south direction. So it is called the lodestone also. But no, another types of magnet is artificial and natural magnet that is found naturally in earth crust as in minerals, ores of iron. But the artificial magnets are made from the natural magnet. It is found that when iron or alloy of iron, that were the nickels, cobalt, rubbed with natural magnet, then it acquires the attractive property of it becomes a magnet like a natural magnet. Okay, such magnet is called artificial magnet. Alnico, an alloy of alnico, that means an alloy of aluminum, nickel and cobalt, that is short forms of alnico. Cobalt is example artificial magnet. Artificial magnet can be made in different desirable shapes like horseshoe magnet, needle magnet, bar magnet, and it has more strength than the natural magnet. Now we differentiate the artificial magnet and natural magnet. What are the artificial magnet? What is the proper differentiation of property? Look here. Artificial magnet are man-made magnet by using different techniques. But different techniques to magnetize the magnetic materials using different techniques. The electricity is also used, and some mechanical process is also used to make artificial magnet from the natural magnet. Natural magnet is found in nature. It is naturally found in nature. But artificial magnet is made magnet by different process. A magnetic substance is magnetized. They are stronger and compared to they are stronger as compared to natural magnet. Stronger and compared to natural magnet. Okay. They are weaker as they compared to artificial. The natural magnet weaker strength. They have this weak magnetic strength. But the artificial magnet, which the alnico, is the high magnetic strength. They can be temporary or permanent. Artificial magnet may be temporary or permanent, but the natural magnet is permanent, always permanent. Just like the electromagnet is the temporary magnet, and another type of alloys which is made magnet is the permanent magnet. They are very hard alloy. They are available in different shapes. Artificial magnet are made according to our use in different shapes, like the horseshoe magnet that is used in the bell, electric bell, needle magnet that is used in the compass. So, artificial magnets are available in different shapes, but the natural magnet is available in irregular shape in the Earth's crust when it is mines from the Earth's crust. Example: horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, needle magnet. These are the example of artificial magnet. And natural magnet is the ore of iron ore, that is Fe3O4. That is also, it is the mixture of different types of oxides of iron. Here Fe3O4 is a mixture of Fe, ferrous oxide, plus Fe2O3, Fe2O3. This is a mixture becomes a magnetic oxide, that is the magnetite. It is one of the important ore of iron. Here is the different shapes of artificial magnet. It is the bar magnet here. Here the bar magnet, which is north and south pole, is illustrated like the north pole generally painted by the red paint and south pole painted in the blue paint. Here the cylindrical magnet. Here the horseshoe magnet. It is the disc magnet. It is the ring magnet. And very important matter that the magnet that is needle magnet is used to make the compass needle, which is very widely used in the magnetic field to detect the magnetic field. Now, next, pole of magnet. A magnet always possesses two poles, which is north pole and south pole. North pole and south pole. North pole, when it is cut from the breakdown from the two parts, it always exists in two poles. Again becomes north pole and south pole. When it is all short, it always becomes north pole and south pole. So, magnetic pole always exists in pair. It is not isolated. It is not possible to isolate north pole and south pole in separate. And the smaller size of the magnet have both north pole and south pole. Here, the region, it is the region where the magnetic strength is maximum, and the magnetic field line that we'll discuss further is crowded here. Here crowded. It is all the magnetic field lines are crowded here. Most crowded. It is crowded. And this region in the magnet, that is bar magnet, is called the poles, where the magnetic field line is crowded. So the strength of degree of crowdedness of magnetic field line is the represent the strength of magnet. So the region where the strength of magnet is maximum is called the poles of the magnet. There are two poles. The region at in the magnet where the external magnetic field is strongest. The external magnetic field around the magnet is strongest. A bar magnet, when suspended in a earth surface, magnetic field, and orient itself in the north-south direction. This north-seeking poles of such magnet or any similar poles is called the north magnetic pole. Okay, and the south-seeking pole of the earth magnet or any pole similar to it is called the north magnetic pole. These end of the magnet that aligns that direct towards the geographical north of the earth is called the north pole, and the end of the magnet that direct toward the south direction of the earth, the south geographical pole of the earth is called the south pole. So magnet have two poles like that, two poles, north pole and south pole. It always directed towards the south pole, south of the earth, and it is always directed towards the north of the sun when suspended in air by a thread. Now, next slide, we will discuss about the properties of magnet. What are the properties of magnet? The attractive property is very common properties of magnet. We are already familiar with this property. Like that, magnet attracts the ferromagnetic materials like iron, cobalt, and nickel. These are the ferromagnetic substance materials. One property is the repulsion property, like the like poles repel each other. Like poles of the magnet repel each other. When like poles come together, they repel each other. But whatever be that, a north pole of that, and it is also another matter that north pole. There is a repulsion between them. They repel each other. But when north pole of a magnet brought near to the south pole of another magnet, they attract each other. That's called the like magnetic poles repel each other, and the like magnetic pole attract each other. It is the properties or repulsion properties of magnet. Directive properties of magnet is that a freely suspended magnet always point in the north-south direction. That is so it is called the lodestone also. And a natural magnet, that the directive property due to the directive property of natural magnet is also called lodestone, and it has a specific property to direct towards the always align towards the north and south.